Thank you. Welcome. This is Practical Urban Herbalist Hour. Say that really, really fast 3 times. Practical Urban Herbalist Hour. Okay, not an hour, just 2 minutes. So anyone can practice being a beginner, budding, get it? Buds. Herbalist in your own garden, kitchen garden, window garden, outdoor garden, balcony garden. Everyone has room for this one precious, beautiful, gentle herb, the Roman chamomile. It is such a wonderful herb to grow, flower to grow, and play with this summer. It fits in any pot, so you can grow it just about anywhere. And I'm giving you a quick little tip today, how to make a coconut oil infusion by using the chamomile flowers. So have 2 or 3 flower plants growing on hand in a small pot in a sunny window with some nice rich soil like this one here. This is just a pot. And when it's blooming, what I did is I started this a few weeks ago, about a week, 2 weeks ago. I put in a little bit of coconut oil, the solid, raw, beautiful, organic coconut oil that's edible, usable in your recipes for eating, for culinary arts. And let me see if you can see this. So you put in the flowers, you see that? And then you can harvest some more fresh flowers as you are here. So you can pinch them with a finger and put them in, or I brought scissors. And I'm going to take a few varieties. I'll take in some more mature flowers, and I will also take a few fresh flowers in the sun with the energy of the sun. So we get the full spectrum of the medicine within the seeds coming up and the flower heads. We're going to enjoy them all. And what you do is you allow them to sit in here. Actually, I'm going to put in one more for you. Face up, hopefully. So then you let it sit in the oil and infuse like that. And you leave it out of sunlight, or ideally you'll have it in a dark glass. But if all you have are little jam mason jars or containers that you've saved, leave this somewhere out of the sun in a dark place but warm, so that over time the warmth is infusing the oil with the chamomile flowers, the properties of the chamomile. And then in about a week or so, move it every day, shake it, give it a little movement every day. In about a week or 2 weeks time, you will strain it, and you will be left with a after sun coconut oil that's very soothing and calming and simply divine. And will have a gentle coconut and warm, heady, herbal chamomile aroma to it. So that's a wonderful thing to have on hand at the end of a long sunny day in the summer. So I hope you try this. Enjoy.